What if I just put it on? We're building a domino track on top of the box. It's gonna go domino.
We're awesome.
Her name's Sam. My name's Jack.
Yeah, Jack. What's it hanging?
We'll start it off here.
Wait, no, not yet.
We're gonna start it off right there.
The end might not work a lot.
We're gonna start it off
Jack,
right there.
Jack. This might not work.
Yes, it will. Yes, it will, because this one will tip.
I know, but we should need to double.
No, you don't.
Yeah, you kind of do.
You don't need to triple it.
You need to double decker it.
Sweet rock and roll.
Alright,
There's
ready?
only one cube.
1 second.
You can't even see the other cubes.
I know.
1,000 cubes.
You can just come over here. Film it like that.
Filming. Filming. Woot, 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 woot.
Domino. Domination dominoes. Okay.